Okay, so in this section, I'm going to show you guys how I tweeze my frontal. Again, everybody is different. We all have a unique technique. So I'm going in with the zigzag part, and that just helps it blend, the hairline blend. Um, when you can do straight across, that's fine. I do that sometimes, but I just learned that zigzagging the part and then pressing it backwards helps me tweeze it and make it look even more natural. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just taking my hot comb, I'm pressing it back. Now I'm going in with my tweezers by P-Fi or P-Fi. I'm not sure what their name is, but they're very sharp and slanted at the tip. You do not want a blunt tweezer that is one level. You want it to be slanted because you don't want to just grip a whole bunch of hair. That's how you get holes in your lace, and that's an even bigger frustration. And we don't want to have to do that. So I'm just showing you that I pluck from the root, and I'm not on no time limit, so I take my time when I customize, as you should as well when you're first starting out. You don't want to rush, okay? And that's the worst thing you can do is rush, because rushed work is doomed for error or mistakes. So we're not going to do that. So basically, I just do the part and press and pluck method. I part it, I press it, I pluck it. 3 rows. I always do 3 rows. And yeah, I'm doing this for myself. So I'm customizing it for my specific hairline. So that's what I'm doing right here. Zigzag, part, press, pluck. Zigzag, part, press, pluck. That is my technique. That's what I do. And yeah. So this is just me checking my work. I want to be able to, look at it from different angles, and it looks perfect. It is perfectly plucked. As you can see, natural hairline. It's giving very natural, and you will see in the video next how it looks on my head. It's giving scalp. It's all scalp. It's all scalp. And yes, again, you guys, this takes practice. So rewatch this video as many times as you need. And yeah, you're on your way. See you in the next video.